My Mom Loves Me, written by Marianne Richmond. My mom plays with me. My mom kisses me. My mom hangs out with me. My mom swims with me. My mom takes me places. My mom cuddles with me. My mom swings with me. My mom comforts me. My mom feeds me. My mom carries me. My mom bathes me. My mom loves me.